Meaning of Guy Fawkes Night.
Guy Fawkes Night.
Guy Fawkes Night.
Guy Fawkes Night.
Guy Fawkes Night. Guy Fawkes Night, also known as Bonfire Night, is an annual event in the UK on November 5th. It commemorates the failed gunpowder plot of 1605, in which a group of Catholics, including Guy Fawkes, attempted to blow up the Houses of Parliament and assassinate King James I. To celebrate the plot's failure being discovered, people light bonfires and set off fireworks. The event has become a traditional celebration of British culture, with many public displays and festivities taking place across the country each year.